Well, I started by peeling off the stickers, which is a vast improvement. Took off the unnecessary straps, took the trash out from under the seat, and got it on a battery charger, but it does run, so that's good news. It needs a bunch of throttle. It's hard to do. Hot lap is much louder than the SMR that I have on that bike. Doesn't want to idle at all, but the battery is still very dead, so it just falls on its face and dies. So it needs a little bit of tuning, and that intake manifold and everything may have to do with that. Showed that in the last video. It's pretty dark, I apologize. It's kind of hard to see, but it does have that cool Polini carb. It does run with it, with the exhaust and everything. I don't know what jets are in the carb. It didn't come with any extra parts. Supposedly it's got variator mods in there too, and the guy that I bought it from is much bigger than I am, said it did 65, which hard to believe, but mine has done 65 before without the carburetor and any mods in here. So maybe it's possible. It's cold out and it's dark, so I'm not gonna ride it tonight, but I did figure out that it does run. The motor's not shot, which is good, because I did not check any of that before I bought it. But we do have wheels for it. Got a disc brake front hub. This one I may stay with the drum brake in the front, so that way the factory speedometer can work. But I've got new handlebars coming. Probably need to order grips because these are kind of trashed, and levers, and maybe some mirrors and some new turn signals and some lights and stuff. But hopefully I'll be riding this weekend. So just a little update on where we're at in it. I'm gonna open the garage door now because it's awfully cloudy in here right now and a little foggy. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, let me know what you think I should do to this one to make it different from this one. It's probably gonna end up very similar, unless you tell me to do something cool. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.